Welcome, eco-enthusiasts, to an exciting whiteboard video that's going to unravel the mysteries of sustainability. Get ready to have some fun while we explore this crucial topic in an easy-to-understand way. Let's kick things off with the big question: what exactly is sustainability? Sustainability is like taking care of your favorite toy so it lasts forever. It means using Earth's resources wisely, so there's enough left for us and our grandkids. Sustainability stands on three sturdy pillars, like a three-legged stool. These pillars are the environment, society, and economy, and they all work together. The environment pillar is like Earth's guardian angel. It's all about clean air, fresh water, protecting wildlife, and keeping our planet in tip-top shape. The society pillar is the ultimate people helper. It ensures everyone gets a fair shot at good things like education and healthcare. The economy pillar helps businesses make money while being eco-friendly and people-friendly. It's like making a profit with a big heart. How does this all relate to businesses, you ask? Here are some examples of how businesses can be sustainability heroes. Eco-packaging. Imagine a company that switches to eco-friendly packaging, using recycled materials and reducing waste. Green energy heroes. Some businesses opt for renewable energy like wind or solar power, saving money and cutting down on pollution. Fair trade champions. Businesses that pay fair wages and treat their employees and suppliers right are making the world a better place. For businesses, sustainability is like walking on a tightrope. They need to keep the environment, society, and the economy in balance, all at the same time. Here's the best part. You can be part of the sustainability squad too. Whether you're a business owner, a customer, or simply a planet lover, your choices make a difference. Thanks for joining us on this sustainability adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep the planet green and the world smiling.